I will walk you through each of these chords, finger by finger, fret by fret, and string by string. Each chord will be shown one finger at a time, starting with the first finger, then the second finger, and then the third finger. A major, also known as just A. First finger, second fret, fourth string. Second finger, second fret, third string. Third finger, second fret, second string. Do not strum the sixth string, but strum from the fifth string all the way down to the first string. C major, also known as just C. First finger, first fret, second string. Second finger, second fret, fourth string. Third finger, third fret, fifth string. Do not strum the sixth string, strum all the way from the fifth string down to the first string. D major, also known as just D. First finger, second fret, third string. Second finger, second fret, first string. Third finger, third fret, second string. Don't strum the sixth or fifth string. Strum all the way from the fourth string down to the first string. E major, also known as just E. First finger, first fret, third string. Second finger, second fret, fifth string. Third finger, second fret, fourth string. Strum all six strings. F major, also known as just F. First finger, bars across the first fret of the first and second string. Second finger, second fret, third string. Third finger, third fret, fourth string. Do not play the sixth or fifth strings. Strum from the fourth string down to the first string. G major, also known as just G. First finger, second fret, fifth string. Second finger, third fret, sixth string. Third finger, third fret, first string. Strum all six strings. A minor. First finger, first fret, second string. Second finger, second fret, fourth string. Third finger, second fret, third string. Don't strum the sixth string, strum all the way from the fifth string down to the first string. D minor. First finger, first fret, first string. Second finger, second fret, third string. Third finger, third fret, second string. Do not strum the sixth or fifth strings. Strum all the way from the fourth string down to the first string. E minor. First finger, second fret, fifth string. Second finger, second fret, fourth string. Strum all six strings. Okay, now you have a good idea of how to play the 9 most essential chords for the beginning guitarist. To really get them down, you need to play them with rhythm and practice changing back and forth between different chords.